So, Animal Kingdom it is today. Look at my little animals. One animal, two animals.
I want puppy dog.
Let's go get that dino.
Okay guys, so we found Starbucks. We need some after that crazy ride. I didn't think it was crazy. I wasn't the one wearing the poncho. So, Starbucks! Yay! Look guys, look at this cute cup. So it's Starbucks, and then in the back it says Disney Parks. Ah, and then Gabby, look at her cup too. Show me your cup. And then it has a Disney Parks. And then also the bags. Look at this. That is super cute. Super, super, super cute. Super, super, super cute.
Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety.
evening, guys. So day 4, Hollywood Studios. Slinky, Slinky, woo!
Deputy. Wait, no, you over there. You're my favorite deputy. No, the other one.
So my aunt tried to bring us water bottles and it fell. And look who's coming to our rescue! Go Gabby! Go Gabby! And it's right there. Ready, set, run! Right there, you see it? Yay! Yeah, get it. And then run back to Ready. Thank you, Mama!
Thank you, Mama.
You did it!
Now, everybody clap your hands. Come on, it's not that hard. Coming to you live from and it's back on.
Okay guys, so we got out of that ride and of course made my stomach feel kind of weird. So once again, I'm walking it out. So the only bad thing is that right now we have a meal pending, so hopefully that goes well. Okay guys, so we're in the sci-fi dine-in in Cars. This is so After a very long day at Hollywood Studios and a very, very hot one, I haven't felt it as bad as today. We have to come and cool down at the pool.
Yep. Yes, we had to cool down because it was so hot at Hollywood. it was hot, and we were using the spray. It would kind of work, but I was sweating from the back. So now we need to cool down.
Pool time.